Hey, so I don't know if you ever thought about buying something like this and having a tow vehicle to tow it. Could even be as long as that, maybe. But anyway, you got to think about where you're going to be able to park it at home. So a lot of people, they might buy a caravan and then they're like, oops, where am I going to leave this? So it does take up a bit. I think it's something like 7 or something meters, this, from that part there to the back. But the other thing is you might need to reverse it into a tiny driveway. So sometimes it's good to do a caravan course, and we supply this caravan of ours and the ute. So the people that today, they turned up in their little car and they learned how to tow, and showed them a few little tips, and then they're off to look at a car today and a caravan next week. They might come back and do another one with their own caravan, but anyway, something to consider is before you buy that awesome setup that you're looking for, is whether you can actually tow it. That's what we provide here at Learn to Tow. So we're located on the southern end of the Gold Coast, and happy to chat.